Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll show you how to make your own cupcake liners at home, so keep watching to know how. Cut out a piece of parchment paper, fold it until you have formed kind of a triangle. If you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you love to know more about baking, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. Cut out the uneven part. Get a cupcake pan and measure the radius, then fold it. Measure the height of the pan with the paper. Then cut it. Then fold the sides into a plate. Repeat the same process for the others, but since you have already measured the height and the radius, you can just use the previous one to measure it out instead of using the cupcake pan. Your cupcake liners will come out nicely if you fold the pleats well. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and leave a comment.